Okay, the second part of this song, well, I've been afraid of changing. So you've just been doing this C, C, G/B, A minor 7, C, G, and then the chord, I don't know. Then you're going to transition to this cool chord, D7 with A. So this is just a D7 chord. So you got D7. And then you add your thumb up here, and that will play an F sharp. So when you've got a slash chord, all it means is it's that regular chord. So it's a D7 chord, but then you've got a different note on the bass. Okay? So here's your F sharp. Well, G chord, been afraid of. Back to that same chord, D7 with a F sharp, changing, the E minor, 'cause I've built my life around you. Now there's that fun chord again. But time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. Okay, I'm gonna do that one more time. So here's you go. I don't know. And then, well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I've built my life around you. But time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. So I took my love and I took it down. So then it goes back to that awesome pattern. So this is a great one to practice this Travis picking, because it just keeps playing over and over. 'Cause cause the landslide brought me down. Okay, the very end, and I just kind of go, brought me down, and I just put my pinky and hammerhead that one. Hammerhead, I don't know if that's what it's called, but it's a hammer on the top string. Okay, so have fun with that.